going on, everybody? Luke here, and today's video shouldn't be a long one. We're going to be talking about how to pay virtual assistants. How do I pay them? What software do I use, or more what not software, but what website I use to send money? Obviously, they're in the Philippines, and so what's the cheapest way or most cost-effective and fastest way? Obviously, you don't want things to take days when sending, so a lot of this information will be blanked out for sensitive, information reasons and stuff, but it's TransferWise that I use, or now Wise it's called. And all I do is I send myself like a bank transfer the pounds, because you can get a sort code and account number for this account. Just send it like a normal payment, and then I will obviously I've got some saved recipients because I pay my VAs recurring, but then you would just jump over to the single payment here. And you can see I've got a balance, so I would use it from my balance or pay from my balance, and I would go ahead and obviously enter the amount that I wish to send. It tells you how much it's going to be, it tells you everything that's going on, obviously I want them to get that, so that's what I enter. And it says should get there by August the 2nd, but I've already sent it this morning and they've already received it. It's just like a safety blanket. Let's just go ahead and click Joanna, one of my VAs, and I normally select other business expenses, and you can see here the amount that I'm sending, the actual fee that I'll be paying for this transaction, the conversion rate. Yeah, there we go. Should arrive in 35 minutes. So even if it does say a little longer, it usually gets there within a couple of hours at the worst. That's what I've found in terms of, I'm sure there has been times where it's taken a day, but you can see here in this instance it's 35 minutes, which is exactly what you want. You want to be making sure you pay your VAs on time and it doesn't take days to actually get there, and that you don't have any sort of fixed fees like, minimum £5 or maybe the fees a certain percentage. I don't know exactly. So for me, in terms of the ease of transferring money to this account, it takes 5 seconds. I've already got it saved up as an account on my banking. Then I will select the amount they want. Very easy. And once you've actually set up their details in here, you don't have to keep entering all this information. Obviously there's bank details and name and address and all that kind of thing you got to enter the very first time, but then it's saved, and then you can get a breakdown here. 35 minutes, everything's great. You can go and put a reference, confirm and send, and they should get it within 35 minutes, and then I'll just go to my VAs, all paid for you, to make sure they're getting it every 15 or so days, so the end of the month and 15th of the month. That's how I work it. I'll always normally do it about a day before, or if there's a weekend, I'll just do it on the Friday. Anyway, that is everything. Any questions? Let me know below, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.